Welcome, I'm Blessing from Using Graphics. Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do a print on a t-shirt. Right, guys, we're gonna need a sketch pen. That's the first thing. Anything that you can draw on, guys. Don't stress yourself too much. Obviously, you're gonna need a computer, and then you're gonna need a vinyl cutter. And the last thing, the most important thing for t-shirt printing is a heat press. You must know a lot about the heat press. Guys, you need to read. You must know your stuff. Right, I'm gonna walk you through, guys. We're gonna start doing sketching from the paper to the computer. And then from the computer, that's when we're going to send our stuff to a vinyl cutter. It's going to cut everything, all the details that we designed from the computers. From the vinyl cutter to the heat press. That's the main thing. Just a rough sketch on we're going to draw a circle here. But we need to give our circle a thickness. Just a rough one, guys. We need to have the idea of what we're doing. Right, I'm going to write inside, pray hard. I'm going to draw a circle inside a circle. Wow, so we're gonna draw something like that, because we want to put our cross here. So let's say do something like that, and then something like that, and then this is going to hold our cross like that. Remember, guys, we're sketching. So we're gonna send our stuff to the computer. I'm gonna take my phone just for a picture. Right, we are in the computer now. We're just gonna quickly show you guys. This is what I did before, and then so I'm gonna delete this one, and then I'm gonna sketch this one. It's gonna be easy for you, especially if you are familiar with Adobe Illustrator. Some they use Corel, whatever design Illustrator software you know. So now we're going to start making these two circles, and then we write the type inside. All right, let's go. I'm going to open my circle. I'm going to take a circle. I'm going to change my color to blacks. Right, I'm going to make my stroke to 8, something like that. Okay, what you do now is you do Control, copy, Control F, and then Shift out. We reduce the size. Remember, it's the same. We just copied this one, so I'm gonna reduce the stroke size to something like that. Right, you see, guys, how it's coming out. And then I want another one. Let me just reduce this a bit. Control, copy, Control fill, and then I increase another one. This is the center one. And then I'm gonna reduce the stroke as well. If you can check our design there, we did one stroke, but I just added another one just to make it nice, guys. Now we're gonna select the type tool. As you can see, you can just go there on top there, you choose your type, or you can go to font.com. There is a lot of fonts. Just make sure, guys, there is no copyright on those fonts. Right. I'm gonna start writing now. Pray hard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate my words. Pray hard. Right. I'm just gonna put it a line underneath, just to underline it, and then we press Shift. I'm gonna do a copy for that one. You see these two are my lines there, is that one. And then I'm gonna give it a stroke. I don't want it to be big because it's gonna affect my style, you understand? Like that. Then select everything. Right, this I made it with a pen too. I'm gonna make a duplicate. Control copy, Control fill, and then I make it short because I want them to be like that, something like that. And then I'm gonna take another pen tool you select this one, you do that, you select that one, you do that. Right, there we go. So you select this. I just want it to go a bit on top, right, something like that. Guys, I'm gonna select everything, Shift M. This is a shape builder too, in case maybe you want to know what I'm pressing now. Shift M for a shape builder too. So I just made this one. I'm gonna take my pen tool, there we go. It's gonna start from here to go like that, and then I go like that. Then we're gonna start doing some alterations until our cross is very nice. So I'm gonna select this, I want it to go down. I'm gonna select that, like that, that side, and then I'm gonna select that one to there, select it again, yeah, select this one and that one, select V, select that one, Shift M for our shape builder too. Right, I want to make it like that. That's how I want to do it, as you can see now. So guys, you keep on tweaking, playing with the stuff. Play with it, and put your designs there. I'm just gonna put something inside there. Quickly show you a star. You're gonna give it some weight. I wanna give it some weight, something like that. Select these two, just move it on the center. Select that, that, and that. Top like that. Right. So this one, we're gonna give it a weight as well, something like that. But I want it to be just like that. Then we select again, Shift M. We go inside there. We don't want a stroke there. This is how you do it. You see, I just made this one shorter. So what we do now is we want to send it to the vinyl cutter. So what you do now is you select your type first. You need to convert it to, you must expand it or convert it to outlines, and then you click OK. So if you press Control Y, you're gonna see all the outlines. That's where the machine is gonna cut through here. But you see here, that's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna select it and then select this one, just trying to make it bigger like that. So we put it there. This is where our cutter is gonna follow. That's what's happening here. It's like we're telling our cutter where it's supposed to cut. There we go. Control Y, as you can see how it's looking there. Let's take a shape builder tool. Right. Right, that's how it's gonna look like, guys. Okay, Control Y again. Gonna do like that, Control Y. Okay, that's fine. So we're gonna send our artwork to sign cut. So first, let's save it. First option, save. to my desktop. I'm gonna save it to my desktop. Pray hard, pray hard, guys. We save it to our desktop, Adobe Studio CC. That's like, and then we close. Now we open Sign Cut. There we go, it's opened. So we say File, Open. We go to Desktop. Desktop, where is our Play Hard? There it is. We open it.